don't know. It's okay. What up? Oh, I'm drowning. I drowned. That was so scary. I'm in another white van. I'm in another white van, or I'm in the same one. I don't know.
The tornado's slowing down. The tornado's slowing down. Well, not the hurricane.
No, it's getting bigger. Oh, yeah, it's slowing down.
No, it's going to Category 4.
Category 4 isn't that.
I died again.
Ah, Category 5, get in! Get in, where? I'm in my own little van.
I'm coming to the van, I think.
Oh, for me, you stupid Roblox character.
I am coming.
I'm in some other random van.
I'm back. I'll try and get in the white van now.
I think I'm on the van, like, at the other side. You guys are. Luke, just kidding. Die.
No, I hurricane
died.
It's bad.
I'm coming to the van. I died again.
Is there a tornado happening now?
Oh my god, yay.
How did I get in? What the heck?
Mel keeps dying.
Shut up.
And so does Riley. I'm thriving. I have my own little white van.
Person here.
I'm trying to get into Gaelic white van.
Riley, behind you! Behind you, Riley! It's my white van, Riley! Do you like my white van?
Hey.
Oh, it's over. It's over.
Oh, that's too bad. This was the safest spot ever.
Kelsey's still in the van. Well, not the van. No, what used to be a van.
Yay! This was... You are? Yeah, it probably was. It was like 2 hours.
Hey guys. Go.
14 perished while 2 survived.
Guys, you see the big
I see
road
you.
thing? Come to the lifted road. I died again.
Yeah, no shit. Dun dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun. Damn, that was great. In someone's head.
Oh my. No! Chicken nugget.
Chelsea, have you even? Oh yeah.
I'm stuck on bag. Now I know.
Okay, Metropolis. Yep.
Stop doing that with your mic, Riley. I mean it, stop, it's annoying.
I can hear it. I can hear it.
Nice for way back. Hi, Dad.
Double trouble.
Double trouble.
Yeah, it's Chelsea.
It's Chelsea.
My tummy hurts.
Chelsea, get in the shower.
Okay, I'll be AFK.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, Dad.
Me?
Yeah, she's going to have a shower anyways, and also get rid of. You got a fire extinguisher. Okay. 2 tornadoes. We're in the white van.
Get in the van.
No, not kick Chipotle from server.
Who else is in here with us? This
Yeah.
Marin guy. Oh, Riley. Where's Mel?
I'm in a building.
Get in the van!
Riley's yelling at some kid to get out. Or is that kid yelling at him to get out?
Or someone's
We fuck.
someone's tsunami.
Summon tsunami.
Yeah.
We need to go.
Yeah.
We need to, go. Yeah, but
Next one.
there's more vans. There's lots of vans.
Ah!
Mel, where are you? I'm thriving. Mel, where are you?
I'm in a building at the moment.
Yes, which building?
Oh god, one of the tornadoes is coming towards us.
I'm in the window of a building. Next to the park. Next to the park. I see the van and I see Riley.
I'm bad.
Oh my god!
Really?
Oh, Chelsea died. Rip.
Oh, I died. I'm inside the tornado. Okay, now I'm dead.
Driving. I'm hiding under a tree. I'm driving.
We're good. We're good. We're good. Kaylin, are you still alive?
Yep. I'm fine.
I'm completely fine in my beautiful house.
I'm hiding behind a tree.
Yeah, I know.
It's
Come to a sticky end. Yeah!
Wish you.
that wasn't so bad.
You guys died, didn't you? Yeah, maybe because you're unhygienic and need a shower.
Where are you guys?
I'm on a tree. Bomb? What? What the? A bomb?
Avoid this!
Huh? This is. Holy shit! What is happening? I don't know where to hide.
Where do we go?
I'm so scared. I don't know where anyone is.
I'm in the park!
I'm so scared. Bomb shelter. There's a bomb shelter.
Where?
I can't see.
I found it. Come in.
I'm good!
Oh, I'm in. I'm safe. I'm safe. Oh, I'm in the shelter. No!
I'm in the shelter! I'm in! Galen! Come over here, you can see it!
My guy! Oh, see you later, Riley. Gotta go.
It's all yellow. Why is my screen yellow?
Bye.
Galen, where are you?
Yeah? I don't know. Everything's yellow. Wait, I can see again. No!
I want to see outside. Let's look outside. There's no one to spectate.
Really? Oh my god, you're right. What's this button do? Sad. That was not a storm. That was a fuck. Riley's down here. Oh my god, hi Riley. You and your. Why did you leave the call?
Yeah.
Did you say I had to?
We're all dead.
Chelsea. She's lying. Oh. He left the call.
Ha! Me and Kaylee survived. 300.
Losers!
Kaylee, you can almost buy the gravity coil. Yay!
Wait, how much money do I have? Oh my god, you're right!